Are you asking or are you telling? Baby, I don't like the sound of your voice. There's no reason to be acting so loud. Your hands start to shake, and I swear I'm not scared at all. There's something about the look in your eyes tonight is giving me pause. Oh God, maybe you should be afraid. Hey. Gloves on lips, swords in hand, they curse their enemies. But I know behind the scenes, the smoking mirrors, the machines set you red when I'm in green. I'm who I wanna be. Gloves on lips and swords in hand, they curse their enemies. But I know behind the scenes, the smoking mirrors, the machines set you red when I'm in green. I'm who I wanna be. Swords in hand, they curse their enemies.
problem with love at first sight. Just tell me it feels right.
Just tell me it feels right. And where's the catch? Record my reaction tonight. What's the problem with love at first sight? Just tell me it feels right. Just tell me it feels right. And where's the catch? Record my reaction tonight. If there's anything, a star in the sky, I try my best to reach it at night. But if things change again tomorrow, I'll try for Savannah. 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 Oh.
Run.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Jerry Dean. Welcome to my channel where I talk about the keto lifestyle, staying fit, and just give you pointers to become the best version of yourself. So I got the bike and I actually got here on Friday. I didn't build it until today's actually Saturday, so it took me a day to build. So I put it out in my garage, and it was a beautiful day today. So I figured, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and build it today. It took me about an hour, or an hour and a half. It was very, very simple, way simpler than I thought. I really tried to kind of pay attention to what I was doing because I do plan on taking that apart and doing that a couple of times because I want to take it to work. I kind of want to take it to a park nearby. So I'm gonna be transporting it a lot. I'm very lucky to have in my office they actually have a place where it's called a bike box, so we can actually park our bikes there. So I'm probably gonna leave it there maybe during the week, and then maybe on the weekends bring it back to my side of town to my house, so I can actually use it around here. But so because of that, I was really trying to pay attention to the owner's manual, which I have right here. I'm still kind of going through it, but it really wasn't that difficult. I did find out how to change gears on it. So I was riding around the neighborhood a little bit. It was very fun. It was very awesome. I'm really excited about getting into cycling. And so if you guys have any questions about any type of bike or what you're trying to buy, please let me know in the comments. I will be glad to help you guys out. I actually did a lot of research before getting this bike. It was in my price range. That was my number one thing. This is my dog Curly, by the way. He's a toy poodle. He's a boy. He's about 2 years old. So he's an adult actually. This is how big he's gonna get. But so I did a lot of research, and the biggest thing was my budget. I didn't want to go. I don't want to get like a Cervelo that's very high. I asked a lot of my friends who are into cycling about what to kind of get, what do they recommend, and I got a lot of good pointers. So if you guys have any questions for me, just put some comments down below. Ask me questions, glad to answer that. So these are pretty much for the tools that I use. I use this wrench here, really helped out a lot just to getting everything tight. This one I surprisingly used it just because I couldn't get to those little spots, just because I don't prefer to ride with these clips here. So I took these off completely, but getting to this little piece, it was on the bottom, which I had to take these out right here. This is very difficult, so I had to use just that little pliers to do that. This to open up everything in the box. It's just a knife. And then this one right here always comes in handy. These are actually for weeds, but they get into little tight spaces. And there was a lot of wrapping involved, so I'll take that. Actually broken was this one here. This piece right here doesn't kind of hold it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and probably email them and let them know. Hopefully I get a replacement part, but I mean, it's not. I mean, I would like to have it, but it's not necessarily needed. Alright guys, so if you found this video useful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also hit the bell notification, that way you'll know every time I post a video. Tell your friends to subscribe and to like my channel. Thanks so much again.